Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Technique Tuesday. This time we're going to do arm styling in the cha-cha, and we're going to focus on the open break and underarm turn. Okay, so we already taught the steps, so you can go ahead and check out that video, but we'll demonstrate what we do with our arms together. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. Okay, so we'll talk about each of us, what we do with arms. Obviously, there's more than one option. This is just our go-to, so we'll show you. I'll show you mine first, backing the camera. So we're gonna start with our basic step. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, he starts to let go, typically here. On the break backwards, I'm gonna extend my left arm out to the side. I'm gonna go forward, leaving it out, side together, side. From here, I'm going to thread my arm through as I take my turn, extend it out after I've turned, and then bring it back to the side and around my partner into dance position, okay? So basically, we keep it out to the side after we break back. From here, I'm gonna thread my left arm through, and then I extend it out after I finish my first half of the rotation, and then I just extend it towards my partner at the very end. We'll go back now, and Chris can talk about what he's doing.
So I start to mirror her at the beginning, right? We'll both do the exact same thing on this open break. So if I pause right here, we'll both go out, we'll turn this hand down and be in this place, right? As I go forward towards her and start the shot side to the left, I'm gonna go and turn my hand up so it looks more like I'm presenting her and asking her to go through, right? As I turn to make her turn, I'll flip my hand again, so finally we'll get to the same pose at the very end with the hand turned down. As we come back through again, I go and turn my hand up because we're gonna go take a dance position to move on to whatever's next.
So you can obviously play with it and kind of feel out what feels good.
There's a million different options here, and we suggest a lot of different things depending on the level of the dancer and what you want to do during this.
We'll probably do different videos where we have different choices that we could do. Again, our first videos, we always kind of show what we do, our go-tos, what our favorite may be, because it just feels good on us. So that is how we do arm styling in cha-cha for the open break and underarm turn. We're going to demonstrate it with music for you now.